Hey everyone, my name is Chase, and I will be showing you guys some keyboard shortcuts for Chromebooks. The first one that I will be demonstrating is how to get the emoji keyboard open using the keyboard. You have to hit Shift, Search, Space at the same time for it to work. Then it gives you this little menu, which is the emoji keyboard, and you can click any one you'd want. And as you can see, it shows up in the Google Doc. The second shortcut that I will be demonstrating is how to switch your keyboard input. If you hit Control Space, it then changes from US to EX in the bottom right hand corner. Now it also may vary depending on what other languages you have selected for input methods. The third and final shortcut that I'm going to be demonstrating is how to open apps from your taskbar using the keyboard instead of actually clicking on them. Using Alt and then hitting a number 1 through 8, so in this case if I hit Alt 7, we'll open this app, the diagnostic app. And if I hit Alt 4, it opens the Settings app. These are some useful keyboard shortcuts on Chromebooks. Thanks for watching.